I want to share my opinion about this portable smart tire inflator. I bought this item because I wanted something efficient and easy to use to keep my tires properly inflated. I like to use it for inflating car tires, bike tires, and even balls when needed. Some of its features are super fast inflation up to 150 psi, long-lasting battery, LED display, and 5 smart modes with auto shut-off. My experience with it so far has been excellent. It inflates very quickly and is super convenient to carry thanks to its compact design. My final thought is that it's a very practical and reliable product, and I truly recommend this item for anyone looking for an efficient and portable inflator for daily use or road emergencies.